Welcome to Aqua Platycodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Trump is back in office, and one of his biggest goals is to make sure the US stays ahead in technology. He wants to cut regulations, push American-led 5G networks, strengthen cybersecurity, and dominate artificial intelligence and semiconductor manufacturing. It all sounds like the right move. After all, without leadership in tech, the US risks falling behind. But here's the problem. Having the right strategy is one thing. Actually making it happen is something else entirely. To reshape an industry, you need the right people. You need experts leading different sectors, removing barriers, securing funding, and actually building the technology. And that's where Trump runs into trouble. He doesn't have enough strong allies in these industries. The people with real power in tech, finance, and policy circles aren't on his side. Many of them have close ties to his political opponents, and even if some business leaders agree with him, their loyalty isn't guaranteed. They follow money, not politics. Then there's the issue of government resistance. Making big changes isn't just about having a vision. It means getting through Congress, pushing past regulatory agencies, and surviving legal battles. Trump may want to reduce bureaucracy and fast-track tech innovation, but at every step, he's going to face obstacles. That's why even though his big-picture strategy makes sense, actually pulling it off is an entirely different challenge. Right now, the only high-profile tech leader openly backing him is Elon Musk. Musk talks about free speech, government overreach, and breaking up bureaucracy. But when it comes to actually building America's digital infrastructure, his impact has been minimal. His biggest achievement so far is Tesla, which relies heavily on China. SpaceX is impressive, but it's also funded by the US government, the same system he claims to be against. His work on AI and brain chips is still in the experimental stage, and despite all the hype, he hasn't built the 5G networks Trump wants, he hasn't revolutionized cybersecurity, and he hasn't made the US independent in semiconductors. Musk is great at grabbing attention, but attention doesn't build networks, factories, or national security systems. If Trump wants to rebuild America's technological dominance, he needs more than just one or two loud billionaires on his side. He needs real experts, people who understand government policy, can bring industries together, and can actually get things done. But that's exactly what he's missing. He doesn't have enough trusted people to implement his policies. He's facing resistance from institutions at every level, and the few strong voices supporting him aren't actually solving the problems that need to be solved. The result is a strategy that looks great in theory, but falls apart in execution. Trump is absolutely right about one thing. If the US doesn't lead in 5G, AI, and semiconductors, it's going to lose its global edge. But knowing the problem isn't enough. Without the right people and the right execution, even the best strategy is useless. So the real question isn't whether Trump's ideas are correct. It's whether he can actually make them happen. And right now, that's looking like his biggest challenge yet. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. See you in the next one.